To add a BlastShield agent on a Linux server, first go to your Orchestrator. In the Manage menu on the left, click on Agents, then click the Add New Agent button at the top right. Give your new agent a name and optional DNS hostname. Then click the Save and Download Invitation button, choose the first option, save and copy Linux Mac OS installation command to the clipboard and click on it. Then open a terminal session on your server, paste the command you just copied to the clipboard into the server and hit enter. This will start the software download and installation. The software will automatically start and register itself with its orchestrator. Now the installation has completed, the agent has auto-started and registered itself, and it prints out the installation has been successful and the agent IP address. You can also go back to your orchestrator and check on the agent's status indication on the right hand side in the window there, and you can see the agent is now online. So that completes the process of installing a BlastShield agent on a Linux server.